A fire station, Baby John.
Hi, friends. Welcome to the fire station.
Wow!
Come with me, Baby John. Let's see the fire truck.
Firefighter, firefighter, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Firefighter, firefighter, what is this?
It's a hose, that's what it is. Take the hose, Fireman Baby John.
Firefighter, firefighter, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Firefighter, firefighter, what is this?
It's a ladder, that's what it is. Look at this! Oh!
Oh? Firefighter, firefighter, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Firefighter, firefighter, what is this?
It's a siren, that's what it is. Look at these buttons. You want to press them?
Whoa! Firefighter, firefighter, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Firefighter, firefighter, what is this?
Fire suit, that's what it is. I have an idea. Do you want to dress up in a fireman's suit?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Ready!
Firefighters, where are you?
Here we are, how do you do?
Firefighters, you want to ride?
Yes we want, that's what we want. Yeah!
Attention please, the fire squad goes on a new mission.
Yeah! Hey you! If you enjoyed this video, give us a like or share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, click the red button below to subscribe.